In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about using concrete for structural versus non-structural applications, focusing on load-bearing capacity and key design considerations so your project doesn't end up a mess. Alright, first off, when you're dealing with concrete in structural stuff, you gotta think about how much weight it's actually gonna hold. This is the load-bearing capacity, and it's super important because it's what keeps buildings standing strong. You'll want to pick a concrete mix that's designed to handle those loads, usually stronger mixes with higher compressive strength. Now, for non-structural applications like decorative walls or patios, the concrete doesn't have to be as tough, so you can use lighter mixes or ones with additives that make it easier to work with. When planning your design, always consider things like the size of the beams or slabs, because thicker and properly reinforced concrete can take way more load. Reinforcement with steel bars or rebar is another big factor. It helps concrete resist tension and bending forces that plain concrete would crack under. Don't forget about curing time. Concrete needs time to harden and reach its full strength, so rushing this step can seriously compromise your project's durability. Also, keep an eye on environmental conditions like temperature and moisture during curing, since they affect how well the concrete sets. And one last tip, always check local building codes for minimum requirements on concrete strength and reinforcement, because those rules are there to keep everything safe and up to standard. One of the biggest mistakes people make when working with concrete in these roles is using the wrong mix for the job, like trying to use non-structural concrete where strength matters. It just won't hold up and can lead to cracks or even structural failure. Another common slip-up is skimping on reinforcement. If you don't add enough rebar or place it incorrectly, the concrete won't handle tension loads well and could crumble under pressure. Lastly, rushing the curing process is huge. If you don't give the concrete enough time or proper conditions to cure, you get weaker surfaces that chip or crack easily. The fix here is simple. Pick the right mix for your project's needs, plan and place your reinforcement carefully, and be patient with curing to ensure maximum strength and longevity. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about concrete work and other big jobs around the house. For contractors themselves, it's a solid platform to find steady work and connect with clients who need reliable pros for their projects.